Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, back again. Today, we're looking at something that's built for pure cinematic precision, the BenQ W5700 DLP projector. This isn't your average projector. This is for those who want the real home theater feel without leaving their living room. Now, I've seen a lot of 4K projectors over the years. Some claim to be 4K. Some sort of fake it with pixel shifting. But this one's legit. True 4K UHD resolution. We're talking about 8.3 million distinct pixels on screen. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or gaming on a next-gen console, the W5700 brings that detail out in every frame. Let's get into brightness. 1800 nsi lumens. Now that's not the brightest projector out there, and that's intentional. This isn't made to blast light in a conference room with all the lights on. It's tuned for a dark room, controlled lighting environment. This is made for movie lovers. You get deep blacks, strong contrast, and color accuracy that punches, not washes out. Speaking of contrast, 100,000:1. That's no joke. It's not just a number on the spec sheet. You actually see it. The shadows are rich. The blacks don't look gray. The highlights are where they should be, not blown out. It gives you that real HDR experience. And yes, it supports HDR10 and HLG. That means whether you're watching a UHD Blu-ray or streaming HDR content, it'll handle it with confidence. But let's talk about color, because this is where the BenQ W5700 sets itself apart. This projector covers 100% of the DCI P3 color space. That's cinema-grade color. Not Rec. .709. Not close enough. It's calibrated out of the box for professional-level color accuracy. And BenQ actually factory calibrates each unit and includes a calibration report. That's rare. Now, it is a DLP projector, and if you know DLP, you know you're getting that crisp image, no convergence issues, and amazing motion handling. It's got frame interpolation, which helps smooth out fast action scenes. I turned it off for movies to keep that filmic feel, but for sports or fast gaming, it's a win. You've also got 3D Blu-ray support, which, yes, 3D is still a thing for some of you. And if you're that person who has a shelf full of 3D discs, the W5700 is ready to go. Pop in the glasses and enjoy. On the back, you've got your essentials. 2 HDMI ports, USB for firmware updates, and a trigger port if you're pairing it with a motorized screen. No frills, just what you need. The design is matte black, with a premium build. It's not flashy, and that's a good thing. It blends into your home theater setup. Big vents on the side for cooling, and honestly, it stays relatively quiet during operation. You will hear the fan, but it's not distracting once your movie is rolling. Now lens shift and zoom, yes, it's got it. 1.6x zoom and vertical/horizontal lens shift. That means more flexibility in placement. Ceiling mount it, shelf mount it, whatever works for your space, the image will adjust. And for keystone correction, try to rely on lens shift more than digital keystone. Keep that image crisp and untouched. So who's this for? If you're serious about your home theater, if you're the type who dims the lights, puts your phone away, and actually watches the film, then this projector is built for you. It's not a bright, all-purpose machine for PowerPoint and sunny rooms. This is for watching cinema the way it was meant to be seen. There's no built-in smart platform, and honestly, I prefer that. No laggy UI, no bloatware. Plug in an Apple TV, NVIDIA Shield, or a UHD player and you're good. Focus is on performance, not fluff. If I had to nitpick, sure, it's not laser. You'll be replacing the lamp after several thousand hours, but BenQ lamps are solid and cost-effective. Also, no HDMI 2.1, so if you're planning to game in 4K 120Hz, look elsewhere. But for movies, 4K HDR 24 frames per second or 60 frames per second. It crushes. Bottom line, BenQ W5700 is one of the best home cinema projectors you can get in its price range. Period. It nails what matters: real 4K, insane color accuracy, strong contrast, and just beautiful image quality. If you want to experience your movies in a way flat panels just can't deliver, this is the way to go. If you're interested in picking one up, check out the link in the description. I'll leave everything there, including the ceiling mount bundle, if you're going all in on your setup. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you like this breakdown and want more honest, in-depth tech reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. I'm Tech Jake, and I'll catch you in the next one.